Hey everyone, today we're checking out the UNIFULL 132 color all-in-one makeup kit, a professional set perfect for women, teens, and beginners. This amazing kit includes 94 eyeshadows, 12 lipsticks, 12 concealers, plus blush, contour powders, eyeliners, mascaras, and more, all organized in a sleek, multi-layer expandable aluminum case. The portable design features a large mirror and high-quality, blendable colors suitable for every skin tone, making it perfect for travel or home use. Whether you're a makeup novice or a pro, this all-in-one set has everything you need to create stunning looks effortlessly. The thoughtful packaging keeps your makeup organized and easy to access, with separate layers for each type of product. Plus, it makes a wonderful gift for your loved ones on special occasions like birthdays or holidays. Get ready to unleash your creativity with this versatile and stylish makeup kit. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.